eWheels is proud to introduce its new sleek and sporty eForce One recreation scooter that is guaranteed to ease your day-to-day limited mobility challenges. The EW07 eForce One is a powerful scooter that can reach a top speed of 12 miles per hour, travel 15 miles on one single charge, and even carry a rider up to 325 pounds. The best part about this powerful scooter is that it's lightweight and portable, which means taking it anywhere is as easy as it is to fold. And when we say anywhere, we mean trunks, SUVs, and airplanes. Yes, the eForce One is Airline approved. This scooter has everything you will need for a comfortable ride, including a large padded seat with backrest, cruise control, 3 speed settings, a forward-reverse switch, along with front and rear disc brakes that make stopping easier on wet surfaces and declines. Yes, not only is this scooter lightweight and portable, but it has all of the bells and whistles to go along with it. The new EW07 eForce One.